I'm so happy, I cannot memorize. I'm so happy, I cannot memorize.
It was here for me be a happy Sunday to you all. Me did this in Yankopon to be a hoye. And then so a daffo frost from cry a sign a shave you. And say, Duke, I say, dear, we see ye, me Nayas, Nayas, Papa B. Original, the one and only. Just a star singing a catch you or him from me. I mean, ye, my ba. Me mechi any menim obi any hobium international Nayas one back up. Everything for me did this in Yankopon drum on hoye. Miss me hoye pa. Onyame nhra wate onko so mo ne ebusuane nyina ho ban erade oma wade ye nyina enye yie mame enase kese enkoma aboafo a wona so mase nyina papa go furniture enkonwa papa pafia chese ehote na efe na animunyam wom chese ahoden ne de ewo mankasa papa go furniture me se fa wani chrem e wo Kesema Junction office furniture nyina you be your wallpaper your blinds your curtains just say your bibi ya bi na any just 70 say yatete so yegusu yeseusu no na kai say baby a baby a delivering so e free I don't see me off way for when chem e wo Papago furniture a wo mo Kesema Junction so sisi fa number no na frɛ wo me off way afi Angel Beverages anom dear Stefan Bessie, anum dear, a good minima, a cojo. But of way, baby, I will be ano, Angel Beverages, Angel Drinks, just say, beverages are and cola and in penny form, one in cocra, just say, a lawyers, a doctors, oh, be a jatum. A true for organ hanging beverages back or patches, a flavors nina, a day, not just a sugar, so the kids will be beverages way, and I may say. O doctor Chiao say num esitira and as in die esitira utimi epebru do bosho enum e ma chese ho si ho so ware ya say etibo modern a na fa number dodo obi a ope to bia ye de bebro sanso ena adonko next level eno ena ma ene meme nyina age atsom irofo bebia obi a no twemika na koje odiye ye na wi a enjo energy drink mi frejuma base na ma bra eno a benum kakra bia they are no man ye me de pa ye te say mu achele kakwa bi no so ai eno tipo modern a koje odie cute cat follow and ahye me wi kama me rofwe baby a wo bia no eba na ewi papa fie dia eye cute cat follow one location Abeka Junction so opposite Echo Bank and a cute cat follow for one number no na me sure ewi bia huru bia opebia so your wedding engagement party and as opeso obi best style one wakasa wo nwi de na pese best style wa e ba be yama for number no me rofwe kwajo shoes Womo Sakaman Junction and Sinyame road in so and akwaje shoes ewo empaboa horo bia wo mane mpaboa ukunu mpaboa o ma me papa mpaboa ana wanka sanso mpaboa fo ni chem ewo kwaje shoes en kola school bags ni nyina ebi ewo hono mo start sound ton tare kama kra so ewo hono ma chese nyagudi kra na wo mudi ewo ho kwaje shoes fa number ne sisi a na de wo pebia no wo de wo page ne so ana wo de he wontimi nko ho a o de send my baby obia ye de ebebro the boy fashion jewelries and capo papa efi many makeup if you just love beauty palo but of way same re wo ho o ma ndi Jeffas ho adanse Jeffas mixture Jeffas but of baby awo bia no apomudin ayaresa fie de eye Jeffas mixture for when it trim ewo heba medicine shop bia na se pharmacy shop bia na bomodin na kwaje odi Jeffas mixture e betu yare ni nyina ase ama hepatitis B malaria typhoid menstrual pain ana yare ahore ka ho nyina bomodin na kwaje odi na entu ni nyina asema sa na we be man so a wo be me entena se ma wo ba no efo ani mu nyefom emfa ni mu twitwu efom ana eme ya ebufu kra na Jeffas speak up so hon ma wo tena se ama oba no e de wani ma yefom eno ne kasai oba ma wani ate into so na hwe na oba be kokwan so ana se wo kwan dra yi na se opese o ye yi a eno ani se wo ho ma ho bre no ana wata no akofesi no tutu amika na fa number no na gene dodo ebia na ma okokrum ya nso so ana watu kwan bibi atumisi o de fa Jeffas ne bi pick up so sin e bi show bag pensai re mo mi ntwa me ho na me ba enne no me se me nsaka wo Broni bi wo fie ha wo Broni a wote be na wo bu be Broni bibini a wono de ose na no oya Ghana ha de em se ba na no oya pa de a eni Broni a wo bu be no san gina ho instant o san kyerase a itwa me ho aba na me introduce no aba e ba isia
Hi. Oh, hello. Please, I need to know the drink you were enjoying earlier at the shop.
Sure. Even on Sundays in the market, nothing is for one.
Makuma swaji.
Guess what I brought? A refreshing companion for you and I.
My favorite.
Angel Drinks. Nyamepe, nyawenejehu.
Angel drink.
This advert is FDA approved.
Kwame mo akwa aba bi me se ene yi bebube ye be kire baase na kaisa tari e shemi e covered up GH ko Instagram covered up GH me pacho the number and that screen and friend what e say ntari ne de o se covered up ampa o pese me cover me ho atari ahuru bi an ntari de efe anodin ai na me Broni a obube wo kire baase na woka kasa ahuru ni nyina bi wo hwe hwan ya Kwame Broni actor Boaku pe wone me papa Apostle Thomas Kusi appear omofie ha enkoni enkomo akwabe entwaso ene ye be esiko ye di ti be wura ensuo nase ni akotwetwensem epi everything for mamu nyina akwaba papa bibi aboko de
What the other room?
bibi I fine okay matise wenye yi
Master benefit.
oh shedding what kusi na dabe na mbe ye
That is a yearly 8 August.
8 again
They were up Mumford.
oh okay
Honofiti.
oh we dey shedding esi nyina itimi ekoja ye ne adofo nyina te ba bija wate ekoma asofoma me papa bi ye ma yakọ angel fo nyina ye ma yakọ ye ma shedding wate usepa Broni
Yes.
what's up na there yako
Maba.
waba mehu na papa se na se ewu ede na aka fa hu
Oh, me mane yako.
okay
Kafra.
utimi kaka friend na
Nade.
oba Ghana di say how many years me
Ninyi wagana nze.
unyi wo Ghana
To me exact years are
Obaye
That is.
atache
Gona miswa.
oh
Yeah.
okay
Uh
Kwame free him fa
okay, my root in the Italian.
oh okay
Eti for some time na my Facebook, my personal Facebook no. Enye my Facebook page. Na me the artwork bi atoso. Na dua. Dua wanyini ba wotumi hu nantini ni nyina no. Say a design. A drawing. Ana esoro na
Mo se me ka kire mo so obube whatever okay okay
na esoro no green na aba yellow na aba red ena entini no so red na aba white na aba asan aba green
okay
na just Ghana colors ena Italy colors Ghanaian with Italian roots
oh okay
ada wache
oh okay
ada hoche na me free so
na eno na ase kire say
say it's be aminchi free but me anga se me Ghana
okay
opo
uye Ghana
ebi mumpe but me dey
okay two free kuma say Asante Kroma na say free fancy na say bono na say bi
okay mama ma wo secret bi
okay
men kan tire obi
there be men kan tire obi ya
me auntie
okay
me mama ketwa ono ye Ghana ni half
okay
yes and o adopted o adopted me from Italy
oh
because no
No ho.
And ono ankasa no because no ono kwa no ye have cast we busu no ntina she was somehow outcast.
Oh, okay.
From half caste to outcast. That's a ya cannibal.
Okay.
And me mama ankasa no bibia like me busu ankasa no. Man can say na enye stable. Eti ono na o je me na o adopt me na o de me ba Ghana.
Oh, okay.
And later in later years me Emma my godfather.
Okay.
Fully Ghanaian.
Okay.
Na mama nsere o je nti sa period no me ka ho asema me mpekura.
Okay, but catch me what's it?
Oh, na wa we ni tua se wo mama wo ho, wo papa wo ho, omo wo no. Ena edru pempenso bia e wo se ye je wo free omo nsem na ye de wo tena baby foforo. Eno krampo eno nkwa kire wo se honye.
Oh,
okay. Yeah, ka obetena o kama. But one na okay, me papa nkasa na de oni ya ntana anche. Nti minimum no so minimum sa.
Okay.
And the many mama tena up to the age of 8. It minim procedure me antenify.
Oh, okay.
But yeah dear.
Oh, okay.
Because you know you be crampon and comment here.
Ah.
Because ono obey ade ase no ne ho. Won sa type obeka say o minim ne ba me mu no. Wonim de ba o mu na na say obeku obi na ichire waka say wonim ne ba o mu. Ya dey fine. But after school,
ode kasa.
Oh, school there.
Now we can be ode kasa.
Kakra me call in primary no. And but manko school ha.
It's a kakra.
Ode me ba no yam fa manko school.
Okay.
And yeah, another story.
Okay.
But na me ka say A3 no. After some years no. And me imagine say me hwehwe me mama.
Aha.
Me de ba Ghana nyina.
Oh wow, what do mama ba Ghana nyina?
Yeah, me de ba na me 28
okay.
years.
Oh wow.
But to be frank, no me de ba no me ho.
I didn't see her.
Because still not mentally no on your case.
Oh okay.
But as na as a mintu min ka say asun dream but na me ne ntem ne ye okay kakra. And at that time so na oni obi a obehwe no.
Okay.
Because me papa ni ho. Me mama nso wan wo mechi. Enti na baby ana me wono so me ka say me sa mechi ko Italy a enye ye. Because mesa started from scratch. Obi a ye tete no baby. Ni wiase nyina na kuro a ye tete no. Onim baby foforo.
Okay.
Enye se bia onim se baby say wo ho. But oka say obetu afri baby a ye tete no. Eko baby foforo so a afi na obe start abrabo. From zero. Eti me imagine say me de na beba mo. Eti otna menchen be 10 years.
Okofa mama ba Ghana no but sound Ghana had 10 years.
Almost.
Oh,
almost 10
really?
years. At least be 8 good years the otna menchen.
Wow.
That time na yo kumase. And afena ne health issues no afede na edoso. Physical issues so be kan ho. And yet say Italy honom no say na woti ana say na eye wa utumi koje some social welfare bi.
Welfare, yeah.
Enye pension te say dey bia why adwuma so years no na o ko wa homaje. Enti on say e ba na sa o wa ha kra obetumi age.
Yeah, I know.
Through embassy obetumi aye sa nhehye. Ye ko embassy o mo ka kire say da bi say onye citizen or ana say onye resident e wo ho a ye mfa ma no.
Ana so obetena ha kire dia.
E crampo un say say o register o control within o embassy ho a. Abaya no be fa na say ana say obenya santi ase say wo nte ho biem. Na che say your rights bi wo ho a na say your nyema bi wo ho anka ye be ya ma wo no ye nyema wo biem. Ba ono like ni say wan tro ne din wo embassy ho.
Okay.
And to the government you know. Or the holidays.
Okay.
What to but or still or ties with
Italy. Okay.
And embassy boy yamane ko.
Okay.
na okoje ne pension they say ote baby a nursing home.
Oh, okay.
Or the nursing home.
Okay.
Yeah, the pensions you can't have.
Pension, wow.
Because on to me nante. Or to me nyanyama bebre. And the only positive thing is that we are at peace. And to kwa bia ni menene ntemu bi.
Okay.
And this is first.
Okay.
Me papa nso de no de we free mo achente. Na say me.
Okay. Enti ana ni nyina utimi fa telephone frɛ o ma me ne o ma me kasa.
Oh yes.
Ono ma me ntemu ye cool say.
Yeah. Or unse nurse bi a wo hwe no.
Yeah, enti tem bia friend nurse.
Yeah, the WhatsApp line no.
Okay, e kasa.
De wo mu a ono kra o to me ka kire nurse ni say on fa ne phone no frɛ me.
Oh, okay. Enti o auntie no sisi o we.
Me auntie wawu.
Oh, kuse. Tu auntie free mo na ono ma me ntem be ye fine wo ho. Ana ono ma me ntem ye fine ansa na auntie free mo.
There be say me ma me buy no. Na me auntie no like anche no free mo.
Oh.
Yeah. The ono de on kan kire me da na say on hye me nkran da say o friend like me na me imagine say me friend no.
Oh, good. One I imagine so be hye no. Okay.
Oh, me papa nyina akra buy.
Oh, wow.
And that
You did
was
very well.
That was one of the hardest things for me to do.
Wow.
Because and me papa e ma me hu e tama o wo ye nche no. Me ka say me dey imagine course ani e ma so a. Nka for some years they na me pen ni ma hwe. Of which I know you are aware.
Wow.
But even funny enough, offering me nche call you know. Ono so one tran de kurum da na ope akwanti o two quintessence or ko South America or ko Spain or ko baby bebre o free mention or ko tana o sako South America Bolivia.
Okay.
Na ye guso kasa o mu a otumi mane mesika ko pem say emre bi o ko tana Spain o ka kire me ma me say obefere me ene ne mantene nka bi.
Okay.
Mantene nka.
Ote nka na ote se we free mu no.
Ye ka kire me.
Wow. Etu papa e free mu na wo ye no when am for we ni ehun ni funu kra. Oh, sorry. Kwame, Uba Ghana, how many years in you?
And I make say
calculate here.
Ebro 20.
Bear 25 years now. And I got 25 years. Wow. Eti ubetumi asanko back to Italy and for now they want me to crab you.
Me to me akọ but min to me nko say me kwa kotena.
Okay, but what the chance we say ubetumi akọ waba. Waiting akọ no waba.
And dey metumi
ayi. But we residents bi a ho ubetumi asanko tena ho.
Oh, enye residents asem.
Okay.
But say na me can say
issues.
Baby a wenyini ebeye penyin no e ho na wa build wo life no.
Wa build bibia, okay.
Enti se obekọ baby foforo asa akọ build from zero. Ena nka yemfa me kọ baby foforo mo.
Okay.
Enye baby a me papa free.
Oh, okay.
Was crampo e besa afre eniema bi
aba wadwene.
Aba madwene mu amempe. Enye me hwe mom. Because baby a me nye dru there. I can do
what
it.
You saying?
Me 43.
Wow. Wow.
43.
You don't look like.
And yet, baby, na nyini.
And see, I side acting now. We you know, as a way actor, and they be me now. What time? Ghana.
Me a graphic designer, and me a video editor.
We a video editor.
Yeah.
What's a graphic designer? Me nimu that so na me ne woka say. And a best surprising for crying you be ana. Enim asama ye kun.
Oh, ano crampo graphic design there more than I think like from 2005. And na me ni jo. But video editing, film editing there like baby from 2015 10 years ago. Me started acting na me yet but just scratching the surface like
okay media school no where him for be na chi re mo ana say one and your passion say obey and I say quite ben our first so.
I'm a passion.
Oh.
I'm a passion, but na mean to mean media school satan.
Okay.
Enti me school ni nyina no YouTube ne other website ye kira ade wo so.
Wow.
Ena me nka mfo me ho bebre. Ba ade ba akwa metumi aka ne say etoda. Me ankasa personally minim student or moko media schools ahodo obi a me embody no. Etoda omutumi frɛ me say bra kwa me we ye ne say.
Wow.
Na ma kira omo.
Wow.
Enye se bia me ni adwen kire omo. Well, me nye smart and chen obi ya. But the thing is etoda school sankasa no ade kire no. Ade kire na bia enko be bia anase kwan ya me so me fa susu ade no. And most of the times, you know, a lot of schools don't encourage creativity. Say what the one kasa wa dwen no. Ebe creative niema no. Ye be chere wo say ade ne se na etienti ko ye ne sa pepepe. But no space for creativity.
Wow.
But obi an shell. Ye chere wo ade bi but ye chere wo say wo ade wo yetumi de ye ade we nti. Wa na obetu so de wo pese wo ye no. Enti me obi an hye me so an chere me say ade we menye ne say chinchina twan menye ne say na just say I don't know anything else than ye chere me no.
Kwame, nyame nhyrawo ye nyina enim se wan hyeda ntena brochu Italy an che bebre. Uko school no kakra ho. But obai wentimi anto aso. So compare abrochu school no se na akọ kakra na obedru Ghana wentimi anto aso na wo hwa education wise no. Italy na kasa abrochu ene Ghana no. Senate.
Kakra meka ne say. Afa baby no. Nyina ye pe in a sense.
Okay.
Say a book munim die.
Okay.
Ye ntama o kwan say ebium use your creativity. But ho no wo ho kakra. Aha no say most of the schools no be na they are still using the colonial style of
okay.
And no colonial master. Colonial master bia ni ho an ni beje ho say nkrofo a wa colonize omo no. Ebenya ni ndia na say obehu kwa obefa so use omo adwen.
Okay.
Because say omo to me yes smart to that level on to me control mo bi.
Oh.
So the sole purpose of school colonial masters said the was just to keep the people ignorant. I know there is a whole story. I know grandpa there and come for another episode.
Because I need to say abroad education no a more way than Ghana.
And I make say
Ghana waiting at schools are who nyina be we no still one shada nya adwuma papa bia but abroad there ye nyina nim say uko school na by any sense etua wo ka uko school na wo sense sua de da wa koma so ada ache wo pesa wo ye.
Well, afa baby no no kure. Afa baby so. Honso schools no. But I enter the schools in the buy no. Is to raise the working class.
Oh, okay. Okay.
And a working class and so. Then no more ye. Omo tie adwuma masters.
Okay.
No more ye. So it's not for you to develop your creativity or to develop your passion. And no wo but no boarding. And you be an obetumi akosun ade o.
Okay.
If you come to me say your private schools be o Ghana has so top notch.
Okay.
Oh ko ho and you say sa na ye kira ade no. But when and always ska or obetumi ama ne manako. Sa school.
Okay. Kwame etoda eya na wenu ho se obeka Ghana ana se oba Ghana o da just won trans da enka se Ghana me ba ye de din pa ne ka me ma me ba ye because me ba me share da achieve ya de papa bi ada.
Okay. Emre bi. Samman no kwa ana me tia ka se.
No. Okay.
Na ama situation aname woman no.
Tough.
Ma afede ma kwantu no do me kon.
Okay, so the sign come back to Italy. Okay.
Because guy be ano or person o me manager. Or the me fans
A quite be so.
In short, or the me a scapegoat. Wa frodi amanfo bebre. Enti minja ontro mademuda. Ya chime me, ya chima mama demuda.
Abrabe.
1 solid month. That was Easter either said 2018 and I said 2019.
Jesus. Oh, police station be.
Kumasi Central.
Ada we are there.
Kumasi Central. Me mumbu die. But Saturday no na my free me manager nchen. Na my free nchen even 1 year before. Because menya case that me won nchen. Say enkrofo bi say me
Wajo musika.
Majo musika. Meanwhile no on oje sika no. Why? Because there was a time ono ankasa obie office. No ye like I want to your travel
Visa.
Travel visa. And no say no crampo na ma ofre me. For the first time. Say opese menye like opese obie travel and talk see bi pa opese menye face off the business.
Aye manager na no manage you no.
And you say a celebrity so there. Ejuma ye no ebi ne say ye ambassadors the brand
influencers.
But and I mean so na me management bi I can
apart from ono.
Ono crampo that was the time I'm here.
Oh, okay. Okay.
And later and o chere me say o person o management. Na kwanya ye de me afa so besi na no there I say ya nsheda yusu me o kan sembe. And to be frank with you, no, Sema Okano bebre na to metrim.
Wow.
Enti, at the end of the day, no say Juma o ye o di DJ amanfo sika no krampo sika, and I say wutua men as representing krampo family. Eno nkoda. Enti, binya case be mienu bi, tama me won nchen. And me ma adwen say, me Ghanaian. Asembeto mi ankasa.
Asembeto.
Because father say ye nimu baby ya. And now, all the me baby. Oh, now only my dear, oh, yeah. But what kind of the I'm not Thomas. Say, only o client say, baby, Nasi assembly here, ye more baby, mena may known face, a man funny on bit to me as shame. But oh, open your all right, but may then, I'm a lake one, my manager. Satamano, baby, my manager one, so I'm in him. It was nowhere to be found. So him say then ya ebet say ebet ya fa so a ebet ya fa me so sa pepe so na esi enti me free na nche no afi na ontumi em fa me nimu nye
sa de ani biem
enti otna ase dwen ho na o hye after 1 year o ma obi frɛ me say ope MC o ye ne wedding ope MC eno say dwuma me ya no no enti me de aga se da bi
onko na ni pa na kan
and we say ejuma we no more times no yetumi ko baby a yenko hoda yetumi ko hia nkrofo a yenimo mo baby a but e ejuma pa enti e beye den na sa adwen ya besi wotrim say e bia e yesa nkrofo na onu amo aye ejuma da na e bia omo asete trap no menzo de madwen angoso madwen goso asenka manko
nka wanko
enti na wa hihye case bia na ono so wanya ne problem na wakatira police for say me na me hye chiri na me gije sika no na Kumasi so na me ni mo bia wo enti onim say wakata me chikura na ema me do amu cheye me da central 2 weeks na mini pabi etumi ba Kumasi bebeli me ba un say 2 weeks de na check. Say you the case go police station. After 3 days, you the court. Automatic.
Okay.
You process the court. Enti ye me no na de chi na you call court. Just say ye me kran campus also. Because you call court no judge nso say pay sureties 3.
Oh.
You go fa ne. Enti yes ache me biem sa da na.
Oh.
Because na me ni nipa obedi akagina mu ama me.
Amount.
But na central hono ma yema. Because em say ye chiche nipa bi ku mu ntina e hono na ekwan dem. Na ye de me ko asokwa.
Oh.
Another 2 weeks.
Oh.
Na asemwe de bia meka se boni ni wo mu a. Boni mpɛw. Enti onye boni a unsuro boni nso. Now there is no way kra se ye betwa sema to so amana ye amana ka. E betumi aye edu brebi. Ba enka. You see, menam fufuo bi na omofre embassy fo no Italian embassy me ka bibia say Italian embassy anye hwe nothing.
Wow.
Namum enfan say ambassador na bedi akiri bisa o jina homa embassy e wo Kumase ono so ye Italy ni bisa ote na obesra me wasokwa.
Okay.
Me do nyame ka asase se asema o ka kire me ne bu ma ba me chen de na ato me nyina.
Wow.
O ka kire me se cases te se me de no wan hu bia na ba ko kra nko ye. Ya jeli o mu nyina abi mu kra wu wojem. O ka no so no on twantro no kra. Enti ono kra ka se onim ndi obeye ebeboa me. After 2-3 days, my grandpa matoma adwem. O san by say what is say your uncrophobia from bill contractors. Because now was authorities now. They go why asema oka ebu mabe meche asem bia na say why na ede na japade ebeto ho ama wo. Abra onnimu bebia. Not even a tile cra sani pa no de beto ho ama wo.
Jesus.
Na baby ana me da no o ka sa asa me kire me o pese me nkade ana se me nya me ho den afa baby no, you was right. Because ye nim wo baby ya ye nim say asema ye de chewo no no kre
na se enye no kre
ye you no say wo dwane a ma eye den ma obi say obegina mo ma obi e wo court.
Yeah.
Because me dwane a wo na ye be hwehwe.
Wo ye be hwehwe ya.
Ye hwehwe wo a wo de fine.
Wo de fine. Nti ba sa wo ye den. Ana den no mo ye ma ho.
Na me ka say after me fan say ne nansa so. Na osan ba na o te say ye wo be contractors wo adwuma wo ya no.
Okay.
Say obi wo ho na say oni nipa obedi akejina.
Wanu si ana councilor bem kakra na ye twa ye ho asan ba.
Omo ye Jessica.
Okay.
Adwuma wo ya no e omo business.
Okay.
Enti o say obefa san crofo na tuo moka. Na ye tumi abelime.
Okay.
Enti ordene lawyer ebegina mu maame. Ono aso na oso mensa de me call court sa kopem say ye di asem na maame ma ye wini ye.
Oh wow. Say na oyade.
Oh yes, oyade pa.
Wow.
Abra ye ka kire ne say on tra ne be bi din na on jama asem maame. Embassy for ka kire ne say on jama asem maame.
But we enjoy.
Ono de oye no privately.
Oh wow.
Because officially no embassy anye hwe.
Oh.
Because
embassy for memo
omo lawyer. Anka obetumi aye saade no but omo anye.
Okay.
Enti ono oye no on a personal basis.
Wow.
Enti ono na madam fo a odi kan try oboa ne ho na obeli me after the first 2 weeks no. Ono omumienu nkwa na enkrofo a omo aboa me.
Nti omo na enam so ne yi wo.
Yes.
Okay. Enti sa o manager no uduadua mu hu se manager no a woni ne gyae adwuma ye no on na ye wo sa.
Oh yes. Not knowing ye call court no say ono krampo na bench warrant to dane so.
Good.
Ye hwehwe no na ache no. Of which prosecutor na no name.
Okay.
But no name say case ye le o twade to obi so no na o de o atwa to me so.
Okay.
Enti o me say akwa me minim no me hia no pa because okrampo oya ma sa bench warrant to na dam so enti ye clear ni nyina lawyer ne clear ni nyina free ho.
Wow, nyamisha lawyer no.
Enti And I think be 1 or 2 years or no. Manager and Casano. Bibi no na free mo.
Wow.
Free mo.
Abrabom dia no bi dia ya wa beka se wo chese wanu ho pa. Ase untimi fan cheni pa korneda. Asa dia no bi dia ya wa beka sa dia we die. A nipa ndi ye me no. Se mi wu na me koba kra bi mu a me fan cheni pa korneda.
Ebi ni ho sabi.
Apart from na o manager no.
Nanka yes, nanka ye me manager.
Okay.
Na mawofo.
Okay, but see ade.
So you know but me bibia me manfa asembia nhwe sabi. Ma yini nyina afri me.
Wow. Nyame sha. Daddy, but your brem kakra ni ntwen ho enja abafo kat. Papa.
Me fan check see e ma agent na
hwe. Yo, nyame sha.
Just free na for side.
Okay.
Who say ade ma ko and say nipa ni about together na ma wo. Na BBT. We need to be more together and share of fun.
Okay.
And was so
okay.
And I think he's a victim of that. Now, it's we create a lot of even emotional trauma.
Okay.
And I believe some because of Okomubi. And the way you deal who say unni or don't put my wife for. Don't want you or Nipa can hear or breath from a sound microphone.
Okay.
The sound microphone sounds out to make you woman. Now, Nini water can never be a man, she said, is the one this manager.
Okay.
So, to me, doom pen, so meaning
now the chair
one 2 in the 4. So, no one that's not saying the Otia, and you see, be here, or to the chair now, I believe, say, why are dear for 20 years or more about now, why are the amount one casa? Okay. I didn't put bring you. You move a brain, no shame, the minimum, yeah, may find your party one. Nayas me, it's not hard, but on my heart can be a dream. But one can't say honor your good parents. One casa. Okay. Was honor your parents. Okay. I believe you have the word honor. Need you better. Need ye demon, you know, a key. Nipana and Yamicho say on a Nipano or your door. Say Nipano, oh, beam a baby. Okay. And what for name Yamedu falls very yes. The Bible said, Diomunia, or Moya Don, what never mean the same side. Okay. Was so they shall be well with you. Now, one can't answer a day. I worry. You know, and as a never mean, you would hear dear anyone patent. Okay. Yamidi, dear, our fool. Enti men show omun fun so ene o mana mu nti obi nka say no nti me de obi ni ma obi ni ma ene papa yaka because omo dia yem na yem ya pa wa wi ye die ene watum Ghana the program ko say obi kra be ye jura so ye fa kata so ada onyi media na ada onyi media na ai ada onyi media na especially say be dipa no person opo awo wo drum pempe so be wo hie dipa na mu ha na wo say ko busa ko fru so say mi ko busa bra na we jami mu kan kan mo and mo certain nyum tu yi Ghana TC what chef from watch no we see be so mu na fe brother say and be lawyer or that say and your break and na eku ni slow be eboa very important because unim ochina asem
so mo de nkrata to so anka ne
enka ya chiwa na bibi kwa ni wetu so say mimi ru na mi play ni
anaka de anka na nka okwa akwaye ne kranko benya nte ase ye ya ansa na wakwa akwaye
eti obi bibi be sine ye di bibi be tira wa me nkrata sam ne kire say juma ye di share mi nsani me nya me ho na sika ba mana mo ntu odi kopim ni ye eno boa ma at least nka ba boa me ni nyina mu bi so no so bibi afiri na ye so ye tie akire no eno so ye ti hwe ni ye hwe bibi say be I believe said the shadi or honey say yen share okay yen share obi pien be ye adwuma no share agreement with me apostle
you daddy I mean sure we dey Kwame if I'm sure my nyina hana ntwa me ho ra abusia nyina hana ntwa ho emresia.
Ready for something refreshing and great tasting for your kids' enjoyment?
Angel Cola.
For your graduation enjoyment?
Angel Cola.
Beach hangout?
Angel Cola.
For all your refreshing moments?
Angel Cola.
For your parties, get-togethers, events, and celebrations, enjoy a chilled bottle of Angel Cola. Radio Grandma, today is your day. Over to you.
Thank you. Enjoyment Cola.
Angel Cola.
The Enjoyment Cola. Enjoy all your moments and fun time with Angel Cola. This advert is FDA approved.
atadwe eneya sedenne medofo sebanu ufie nkonya papa paade a mitrema furniture papa paade a eye papa go furniture pe ene betimi ama nkonya papa edimu na efe na hoodini wo Ejetrifu Ghana promo hani abrochire be bia de eye papa go furniture pe na ya chi atum delivery baby a ekobia e free afi yegusi ye sales ndendende ye womu a ekosi next year January baby a wo bia no papa go furniture e wo for edema papa go furniture any challenger no challenger Papa go furniture enkonya papa papi
Hello, your friend is of Mamina and Hayford. Me yen century, Messiah actress, and in Yuma who do pee and na me juma dinty. Ma pomi den hu hia me papa na se bad ma pomi den hu dia enu ane Jefax mixture bonje Jefax mixture nti mitimi gina pabo atenten so chese Jefax mama your best mu ankasa mini abema ebema wo so wa ye be mama pa sei ti ameji Jefax mixture tumpre kopani se eduro no ho te ye dia fa abefu nimdia kwanso eni fidie won soom na ye ne friendship kroje ye no nti ma ye resade enu wane Jefax mixture na momitie enye ma penfo oba a o ma akola no fo ana akola onyanya enfie dumienu
FDA ahwehwe sa edwedie nkrato yi mu agye atum se eye
Jefax mixture pa.
Yakopon ko so nshira mo se da ne da ose Nayas ho donti mesi se utwa no ho koba na ye 1 hour kra e betena se ya twen Kwame se sei wone enamfofo entem etese
Ndi na je ya do fo to nyum se ya asem hwe
uko se osi ho no no enamfo na nipa bia na onimo mo na wo expect se nko mbeboa wo no e de na mo ye ma wo
o bebre na anya hwe
bebre igino obi ayi woman dodo na
obi crampo can say one can't chere me straight but even say me tie a call recordings phone calls tama madam for Boaku pa ona ye believe me after the first 2 weeks no your friend obo
okay
ya me nshira no bebre
okay
na ono nso na oma me baby tena ye tama na ma asem wo court because me ni bibi tena wo kuma se ba na one ne nkrofo no bi ewo obo ase enti ye de sa na court date ne so na ya sori ahomache ne ye ko ne ye ba on because ena sata mo na one city crampo ni me ho because me nya adwuma na se ma eto me no me coin enti ono na ode me ko sa de me ba one my girlfriend na me date na sa time no crampo kasa ebo na ono na obo na mane o ma na update na ade no guy no kura to me ka say oh hey sa sika de one me andi o nti minimum wo hwe e na obo adamfo ye ne te movie production that times no o to me ka say oh na say ya china na say o ye froster and ya say obedama pro and obo ka say onu to me de o ye froster kura me say obepie and o ye ma me pie after 2 weeks no just na ahobo ne sha enti yesa chi me bi mu no na ono so na ho de ne ndrusa
it wo gina mfodi
menye nipa ne this first
okay
but encrophobia wo ho a still unje omundi sa o because nipa so to me fom
okay
but utumi je na dwempa no di like ne good intentions utumi je ne di say o wa dwempa ma wo but still men fa winning to so 100% say the why na adwen so obeye ama wo no obeye because ono so won a limit te ebia onyaya ka no nko anka obeye
okay
but ebia na limit no emma na sa kwan
ye ho se wo ye adwuma wo TV station be na oso unji ni pandi no ye de na akọ ho no na wan na de okọ ho
adwuma na de bebre na links
okay
unimo bi ono so nimo bi
obi
ono so nimo bi o se oh assume se me pen number pa mpese me ne ye sei na ebia waje phone number na wa frɛ me say ejuma bebre na say ye field that you wo most of the work no is about connections.
But Kwame, wo san gina baby esan ka say kuma wood no enwuye but esan say producers ne directors no adwem boni e wo omtirim ene fakada mo ye nti ni nyina aka ho e na ama adwuma no ayesa
e do so nti na me kan.
Oh, okay.
But men ka say o mo nyina sa na o mo
okay, we say binom.
Yes.
Okay.
Cause minim director for bi mo a asambia ni meni o montem.
Okay.
But sadie no ena enye kuma wudu nko a.
Okay.
Ghana as a whole, but kuma wudu no de mehia bebre. Ena enibrebo no so do so.
Okay.
Ena emma edwuma no entumi nko enim no. Because ye producers mi no ebia executive obi always ka obetumi aboa ye no waba ebia waboa meme production na ye wo ya na wa fa chiri akwaka che ne se o Kwame Broni ne ja no na no na edwuma nya papa.
Okay.
Na ebia waje me chiri die na waba be ye wo die no. Well, and e ma say ya na egu industry no.
Movies dodo saying and a acting man now be actor no watcher.
Oh, I can't tell.
Uncountable.
No, I mean can say uncountable like
okay, how many industry for how many years?
Since 2009.
Since 2009. A popular movie, movie bang. Famous movie. As a movie bang it over out. Over started you know.
Beginning the series.
Okay.
That was Choco Trotro and Baba and Shushai.
Choco Trotro so me trebi da who me da. Okay me.
Yes.
Okay. Woyalo Trotro. Okay.
Ansana Accra Life na Adum TV so.
Oh, okay.
And then 2 movies bia and also you me pie pa no Ghana Galam say na Teacher Banza.
Oh, okay, Teacher Banza. So now you Teacher Banza na Lewen. One na Teacher Banza wo no.
Nanama.
Oh, okay. Nti na wo play role ben wo.
Na me yeniku.
Wow.
Ba me ankasa no na. Ese na me kan ho ba on no odi enim.
Actresses for no. Wo do obi akoye adwuma na wo obi ada role ama what feeling ni pakro ne da.
As be my feeling adwuma na as my
feeling. What feeling da? E wo mu da.
There be.
Okay, Cinefo man do do say na ani om adeti since odo nhura movie ni.
Cinefo de madeti bi enye bebre.
Ni pa do say.
Oh.
O calculate ni pa be 15 and 20.
Calculating be. Oh, Andrew 5.
Andrew 5.
There was a time na mpese me ware wo industry no.
Okay. O ba foforo no.
So I was more there be. After some, okay. Enti na me imagine say sadia ene mehwehwe
obi ana hodwo na da form.
Ba
enti stars no
me nko ama fam de amwa me.
Wow. Boni ni panetna for how long?
The longest menena tana no I think is almost 1 year.
Almost 1 year. Ni pan with me abondi. Okay. Enti but not a star.
No, that be none of them was a star.
Okay, omo na upcoming artist ni.
Yeah, and I say omonya upcoming kra, in say ebimu na underground na omo na underground ache. And I say na ebimu kra ye crew members.
Okay.
Because I also thought say maybe I should shift to crew.
Wow.
Because actors in there sometimes no monante na ya.
Yeah, mfa say see ya wutuwe. Obi abase opaware, opeso no worry. But from 45 years going, obe accept no now na worry.
Not just say when you chairman.
When you chairman.
Well, depending nipa no. Depending nipa all den ho ba.
Okay.
But mean to me nka say when you chairman ti menye. Medwen.
Okay.
I will consider.
Okay.
Because difference no enye match. Though there is that perception say obano enyini senwa ebia anhwa omu.
Okay.
Ana say obano owosika chenwa onfa obo ma bema. But enye obia na otesa.
When your baby what's your baby odo no pa oma broken hearted and I say ojani jawo. Oba baby because we say say oba bi ma broken heart anyame nko a. Ache.
ɛno deɛ obi na ɛka ɛnyɛ nokore
ase ye bisa ho nsɛm bi bransa no waba
me yɛ kume ho ana ɛno
okay saa broken heart na wonya ye no eba ne sɛn
nipa no wakɔfa obi foforo
ɛna wokɔkye no
simple as that
wokɔkye no
yeah
me nya nsɛm nyinaa yɛ nim wonim sɛ na yɛ asemi nim nyinaa
ɛnyɛ me ankasa na me koto
yes
but me nya evidence
okay eti ɛno how
oh yes
obeyare pa okoda hospital wow eno mpeso beka
David oh
am I start for pressure drew
broken me apu David oh say nipa da sane be ma de me fa mu de wo nipa nsam mu de e different from way odo broken heart de ntumi ma me sa pressure
oh okay
never
Kwame sese oba be na ne tisisi
and de sha dakam
ye Ghana for pese hu oba ben na wona ne tisisi a
oh David omu hu be ha adwen e sha
dakam wawo
me
wo madoro se
me we
onwe o twen abrebe
me twen oba me ne wo
sese wunyine wo 45 years
yes
awona na emma because ka ba Ghana ka ba na wawo be 10 obi kra ka chem so ma be 4 na me se no me njindi da enti awona na emma ana so se wona wo twen kakra ana ma wo hia wo mo no obo na omo nya o ma adwene so omo na obewo planning wo ho ti o twen brebe na be planning
me ware a
o ware anti yen hwe wanim da be na be ware
yen hwe me nya ya ga this year kran ka me ware
but wani do obi so apese one ne ware
oh yes
enti enche
e ka me nko ade enche
se obaya wani da ne so matena for how long how many years ni
enche bia sa
but even say roughly e 1 year sa ba no do no wani je no ho echina ma she date mo ba be ware ade e be china be ko no obi da ne so ene ne da obekọ so ne na ware
Yapon
mapon
Yapon nice doing business
with you. Also, Broni and wrap it up your time.
Nice doing business with you.
Nayas. I think say me tie Broni na no and dem back with mama pekea.
Okay.
Me gina some dey 2 FT phone no bibia.
Okay.
Me da na so na me bu na waso so. Say nipa dey back with queen ya odie.
Okay.
And utie na settle na brabo mu dey back wo bomode and say oma niema nhye so enche oma niema because say u check your nyame boy na ya odi te say sa ba ade ai wakokọ bonye no and the differently nipa
okay
entina nipa o mo brand ne pa ya asofo
okay
because nipa wo beboa wo mo no o mo kra na de boni bitua wo ka
okay
utimi jumpempen so na o man nipa niema enhye wo so a eboa wo e ma one wini che
okay
and the pressure e kun krofo ne ateta dream manipa bebre ne ye fa pressure do na obusa pressure do na me to na me stre because we obi a wo ma ya odi room a e betete and I believe so why ade on course sa ba ko a o kan ya manage ye the educational aspect na was on mine not say it's medru say yetumi ehwe your education
okay
I think say mu bi aka na ya betena no ten na me tie no na me believe say ye mfa kwanyes ne san kan bio
okay
because ye raise enipa ye raise omo adwene mu nim de ye ntete
okay
ye just as what shape obi as say bi ko jema bi na mo no mu jai na mu na ko bi ba then was spending 26 years in school or you was me unemployed graduate which education system I be come from primary abedu university no chobe 26 women na nipa spend all this years awie na ya so wie was mitifie me adwuma nye that's the problem somewhere so let's encourage our kids na apart from school no more kono yen hwe say niema wo no bitime aye na internet mu use ni yie na neba bi enkra no mo so a niema mo de ye na emoa ye
Kwame matese so pema pa asa wa be ye Ghana Broni na wo ye hit and run as only way a year 6 months 3 months we jani so as we use na we feel area no asan kofa for friend no and once am cut say final asama bibisa no
me pay hit and run
okay
me pay hit and run
okay
emre bi na me pema
yes I know
yes nemo na me young
okay
and me ma dream say like my dream be fie no and me yi ma pe free ma brabo
okay
titita
nti say wajai ma pe no how many years in
yes de mean to me chere
be 2 years in wajai ma asem no
ebro Nayas.
Ujai masem no.
Me sa.
Sa. Ujai masem ni
Bro,
at
least mama be 5 na
5 years there Kwame.
That was 2009 no man.
Kwame there be endu 5 years dey endu.
2010.
Kwame there. Kwame 5 years.
Asema wo ba be ka no 29 ne 2010.
Enti wa woni masem me be ka no. Kwame.
Baby na wo ho no de NS those years. Oh, Nayas.
Kwame, Yakobon Shrao.
On Shrao.
Many a Japan, such as say, my friend is a Kwame, me pesa banani and beshawa brabum experience. Was it sister, me badu do de me be a mijai. Na maba. Na mabe share me de ne tu afofrofro. Efu. Yakobon Shrao. Many a so and sama ya kenya me pesa show camera nim. Na obono tofa. Efutu sema wo de be ma de wo show in kran share arechichire. Na afi uria social media handle na wo telephone number bi wo ho no bi wo pese wo hiaw adwuma ise wo de aka bi a MC na wo de aka ho bi wo ho a wo hiaw niam bebre nti hwe wo camera no na afa wo futu final ways bubu be kire wo mame
the American say bibi a wo free ensem a wo fam ene tebia a wo wo no enkyere nipa ko a wo ye anase nipa ko a wo ba be ye those things don't define the type of person you are memma eno anase memma sa na ema no ensi wo kwan anase memma ne mu abam say oh baby am free there enya ade ametumi aduru say that doesn't define you said ye Meka say, Bible Krampoka, you shall know them by their what? Their roots? No, their fruit. We don't care about the roots. Baby, Adriana Jenny in Nayas. The hiane fruit are bar, Diana Besso. Enti the hiane or China semono. Enti a ye. Any asem. And no ye say na shas. Enti memma a semana shas and muabem. Yet. And I me handles no. Me handles no Jan Luca Romeo Jan to say Ohine Jan. But stadium in media.
Okay.
Jan DJ
me catch them.
Jan Luca Luka Luca Sempa. Bible mu Luca.
Okay.
Romeo the.
Okay.
Obieni.
It's in how they what to talk on no.
Yes.
Okay. And our telephone number.
We number
why number?
Ekrampo your production number and we easy mom say obenyam.
Okay, we production say bia.
Like your production bia abrofo omo Ghana.
Okay.
Omo basic Ghana nkasa no. Omo san so acting.
Okay.
Yatiku.
Okay, good.
Eti eno ho number na
beto. Ita wankasa. Number no hwan ho.
Etoda equita menu apenyi a oye penyi a oda no. Uji sa nipa ni di. Oh yes, absolutely.
Okay, any fa number no etudwa na obi pese obejo
ni business e dey me gini di.
Me patrol you. Eba na business a uji ni di yate. Ye wo ha no abeka che ne se unji ni ndi. But we dey uji ni di e da nyame asem patrol hwe na camera nim. Na fa number no tudwa obi pese obe support mo. Obi pese obe join ni a. Obi pese obe fa as MC a bibia fa number no tudwa.
Okay. 050 635 4771. 050 635 4771.
Okay. What number ni view?
050 635 4771.
Okay.
Broni Media.
Broni Media. Eda nyame asinya ko ponsha papa. If I show you need kwan so ensema ya kanyina show camera ni mo final ways na for telephone number bibi asafo no e wo wadaroma na social media handles ni na tujama.
I think say the American for na sabre ni say the greatest nyakopon dia ma ye emre. Emre bi etwemu na Kwame Jan anase Kwame Broni na ona dance di ni say bia no wo hye ne memodin. Me obusa sisi e wose de sisi ne mu ye eti de wo na mu no e mani en hye say kokun na emu emre etimi sisa eti nyame hye say wo tie na wo hwe sabre me dey the Apostle Thomas Kuti appear the Counselor General na me social media platform na so TikTok, YouTube, Facebook baby edini Apostle Thomas Kuti appear number is 0249 450772 0249 450772. Benam and the Nayas Mr. I no more WhatsApp.
Papa, I can't show me papa, my spiritual father Baha was me. Me can't brave you, was a number dear. Was it 2 o'clock? I don't know friend.
Friend put the mini nantem. Don't quite the mini nantem.
But who was you prefer?
Not quite the mini nantem.
Do you prefer WhatsApp?
Friend be a program. I'm in for the WhatsApp there.
Okay.
WhatsApp me meet me respond anytime.
And yes,
the number be to just a friend on fa. Me free ya me say another program. It to be friend no na and friend way to the WhatsApp me. All you cross send and you meet me respond anytime.
Yeah.
It's number is 0249 450772.
Okay.
0249 450772.
Okay, daddy. Nyango bonsho. Say me transfer for wa. Ba Kwame we dey papa fache next time obeba no ye beye inshira photo semen kan sure say obeye frame ebi amount na Kwame Broni inshira photo say yemfa surprise amount
sa
me pa chwan enti fache no anasa mo fan chaye adofo say ono akasa ntimi ame present amayin but say yemfa ma Kwame Broni ne bra pani enti wadaroma me pacho wadaroma inshira photos.
Oh wow.
Se yemfa no so ne supporter or the support Nayas production. Nyankopon won share no pa experiences in live production in inshira photos and na chese. Efe pa na u photo konya we hemfa. Eya me wanwa.
Ade.
Efe pa in fact apostle me pacho hwe efe pa chese eya me wanwa. Ai nti inshira photos nyame unshira nti abusanfo ai me pamocho eni ti baby bia wo bia se ba ne frame dia inshira photos was don't go there just enko bia ai nti mo amosha we nyina Kwame Broni odia show camera ni na ka twi ba ko kire na da na semam why
inshira photos madam wase my idea pa mo ya idea mana tomeso ayeme wanwa.
Wow.
Nyame nshira mo adwuma nso.
Aw.
Endu echire.
Aw.
Nyame mamudwa.
Aw. Ebusianfo papa nshira photos say nka ncho say da bia bia obeyo de kama e de ama wate. Ebusianfo aha e na ebre no epe makwan. Ye di dwumade ye de ba ye nyina ye de asi. Now them say do kwasi ada de a na yas experiences in life de kwasi ada. So one share Angel TV a ehfa biem adesuade nkranhye arechichire enije nso kakra bi ewom etimesro edu kwasiada bese kwasiada na patututu danya ne ye na nkasa ma TV ni Angel TV na remfi Nyankopon unshaw do bibia I love you that's Sunday
So happy I can't lie.